Hi guys, this is Trisha and welcome to my blog. For today's vlog po, I have a short message for my grandma that passed away. A message that I want her to know that a message that the granddaughter want to say to her, for being thankful for everything, for being blessed to being blessed kasi siya yung grandma na sobrang matulungin, sobrang maalaga at sobrang maalahanin sa lahat ng bagay. Hindi ko na papahabain to. Ito po pala yung short message ko para sa kanya. At alam ko rin po na maraming mga po o maraming tao na nawalan ng mahal sa buhay ngayong may COVID. At hindi po pala involved sa COVID yung lola ko. She was diagnosed by cancer. Pero siya po yung klase ng tao na makikita mo kahit na may sakit siya, nakikita mo pa rin siyang humingiti at tumatawa na parang wala siyang sakit. Ganun po kalakas ng lola ko. Kahit gustuhin ko pong umiyak, ayoko na pong umiyak kasi ilang araw na rin po akong umiiyak, and tinatry ko po na naging be strong at i-accept mo lang po yung nangyari yung pagkawala ng lola ko. Kahit ganoon, kahit nawala yung lola ko, she will always stay in my heart forever, at mamimiss ko siya ng sobra. Blessed kaming lahat ng apo niya na magkaroon ng lola na katulad niya. Hindi ko na papabain. Ito na po yung message ko para sa kanya. Thinking of you was a sad part now in my life. I spend days of crying and other emotions I cannot even figure out. Your death is one of the strange thing. A minute I cry every time I remember that I'll no longer be able to see you or hug you anymore. I cannot thank you enough for being my grandmother. I don't know how you did it. You faced some incredible challenges that I cannot imagine facing. You worked your hardest to make sure your kids and grandkids would not have to face those challenges. You show me how a family should be. I wish I had the magical wand to bring back the time to spend one last hour with you, to say my proper goodbye and make sure just how much I love you and missing you. If only I had done all that before you left, maybe the pain would be less and unbearable. Grandma, you were not just a grandmother who nurtured me as a child. I might not be good as you. The lessons that you taught me are important lessons that I have shaped who I am as a woman today. I regret myself for not being by your side to say a last goodbye, to speak my heart and content to care for you during your last days. If only I could bring back the time, if only I can, Grandma. I wish you were here to tell me everything is going to be okay. Just wishing I could hug you one more time to tell you sorry. With your passing, I lost a pieces of my existence. Love you, Grandma. I will always treasure the memories I have for you. Thank you for being our hero. You truly were a special woman. You might have passed on, but your memories will always live on within me and our family. I I can sure I'm sure we'll meet someday in another world. Thank you for everything. And thank you for listening, guys. At alam ko, meron ring apo dyan ng nawala nila or may taong nawala na hindi na nakasama through the battles of facing cancer, COVID, or kahit anong man ang naging cause. Pero gusto ko lang na mensahe sa lahat na nawalan ngayong taong to na mahal sa buhay. Maging malakas lang tayo at we should accept the fact that God na yun na yung end of life nila. Maging malakas lang tayo, look forward, look for the present, at always lang tayong manalig sa Panginoon kasi I'm sure na someday, I know that sooner or later mawawala din itong COVID na to at someday makikita rin natin yung mga mabibisita rin natin yung taong nawala this year or this year na mabibisita natin siya sa funeral nila. Yun lang, guys. Alam ko rin po na relate kayo sa nararamdaman ko ngayon bilang apo or anak or kapamilya. And God bless you guys. Stay safe at don't forget to pray, guys. God bless again. Thank you for listening.